Ami J and welcome to Amix Talk. Ngayong araw ay makakasama natin ang isa sa pinakahangaan kong content creator ng Cateel, Davao Oriental. Walang iba kundi si Mama Rose. Ano ba to? Wait. Isa pa. So sa araw na ito ay makakasama natin ang isa sa pinakahangaan kong content creator ng Cateel, Davao Oriental. Walang iba kundi si Mama Rose ng Higadan Beach Resort.
Hi, hello. Good morning, everyone. Mama Rose here. It's been a long time. I miss you guys. Today I'm going to answer the question thrown by Amix Talk by Ami J. Shout out to you, Amix. Hello. How are you? As promised, now I'm going to answer your question. He said, "Good AM, good morning, Mama Rose. Do you have any advice to those people who are overthinker, yung advance mag-isip, tapos most of the time, negative pa ang maisip? Ha. Miss ko na kasi ang advice ng mother ko. She's in heaven now." Oh, okay. Amix, I am with you. Missing your mom. I also miss my mom. But be still and be happy, because we should be still and be happy because they are in heaven and they are in better place. Anyway, let's go back to your question. People who are overthinker. I spent some days thinking about your question. Kasi this is a very interesting question. Kasi tayo, it's part of our human nature. We judge people according to our standards. You know, sometimes it's not fair. Pero ganun tayo eh. Ganun kasi tayo. It's our human nature. So, we cannot evade, we cannot deny that there are really people na parang, let's say, overthinker, o negative mag-isip, advanced mag-isip. Maybe we call them, sometimes they are called judgmental people. Pero you know, Amix, there's a saying that we cannot our right ends where the person's other right begins. You know? So, kung ganun sila, wala tayong magawa. Kasi ganun sila, no? So, in the other hand, siguro it's nice to accept that we are really unique in all aspects, you know? Everyone is unique. Pero ang my take is, we can never stop other people from what they're doing, from what they're thinking, most especially. Kasi karapatan nila yun eh. We can never stop them, we can never influence them, but we can always control how we react to them. So if we think na mali yung iniisip nila, then we cannot control them, but we can control ourselves. So in that way, we can control how we react to other person's provocations, you know. And then maybe so we can also learn to accept individual differences. Ganun na lang yun eh. Yung parang kumbaga, we have to stand on win-win situation. Okay? It's not fair also to judge them. We cannot judge them, because if we judge them, we'll be like them. Diba? So better still, let's keep our parameters. Dito lang tayo, doon lang sila. Okay? I hope I can contribute yung para bang kumbaga enlighten you in some other ways. Thank you very much. Thank you for your letter. Have a nice day. God bless.